Capitec Bank, South Africa's leading digital bank, offers free access to your credit score via their mobile app, powered by TransUnion or Experian data. This feature helps monitor your credit health without any impact on your score. It's a soft inquiry. Available to all app users in South Africa, it's quick and secure. Ensure your app is updated to the latest version from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Download and log in. Install the Capitec Bank app if you haven't already. Open it and log in using your Capitec banking details, username, password, and 4-digit PIN. Enable biometric login, fingerprint or Face ID for convenience. Access the menu. From the home screen, tap the menu icon, which is 3 horizontal lines, in the top left corner. Navigate to Credit Services. Scroll to the Banking or Tools section. Look for Credit or Credit Score, check, under Personal Finance Options. If it's your first time, you may need to consent to terms and conditions. View your score. Tap Check Credit Score to fetch your report instantly. You'll see your 3-digit score, along with a summary of factors like payment history, debt levels, and recent inquiries. No additional fees apply. Explore insights, review trends, get tips to improve, for example, pay bills on time, and track changes over time. Set up alerts for updates.